Balik tayo sa kulay yellow, girl.
Okay, so yellow person is this, meron silang creativity. Like, hindi mo sila basta-bastang makakausap or hindi mo silang basta-basta mako-communicate. Like, alam mo, iba kasi yung talk sa communicating. Talking is different with communicating. Kasi tayo mga tao, mahilig tayong magbato ng mga ideas. Just talk about shit and we don't understand each other. Like, bato.
Yeah.
Pero we never like communicate really.
Oo.
Pero this type of communication is a deeper level. Like, you talk about something and that specific, what's that? Like, communicating is, you know, parang you're gonna talk about this topic. Tapos, magbibigay kayo ng opinions and you'll understand what he is talking, what you are talking about. Like, talaga, ganun pala yung opinion mo dun. And then, you'll be shocked na, talaga, naisip mo yun? Hindi ko naisip yun. That's communicating. So, that yellow person is, para ma-communicate mo sila, you have to give them sweet. You have to attract them. Kasi ang mga yellow person, ayaw nila ng mga serious.
Right.
Yeah. They find them boring. They find it confusing for them because easily distracted sila. And that's me. I'm aware that's me. And this blue person, they always find things na magbibigay ba sa akin ito ng peace, magbibigay ba sa akin ito ng harmony. Like, I just want my life to be peaceful. Like, iisipin nila yung ibang tao na iisipin nila, magkakos ba ng peace do sa taong to? Ayaw nila yung parang na at alam mo yun, yung feeling na ayaw mo na
Nadi-disrupt yung peace nila.
oo, ayaw
Okay.
gusto mo magbigay lang ng kapayapaan.
Oo.
Like, something like that. And then this,
May next color na.
green color, it's the person like, tawag dito?
Mga lasal yan.
Green color, they are the...
Stingers. Mga lasal, no? Lasal.
May tawag dito. Alam mo yung gusto nila detailed.
Detailed, okay.
Yeah.
Detail-oriented sila.
Yes.
Yeah.
Detailed-oriented. Like, gusto nila malaman ang buong story. Like,
Okay.
what color, when, what. Yun. Gusto
Okay.
nila ang mga topic na gano'n. Like, gusto nila lahat. Wala silang mamimiss. That's the green person. Like, they don't like lacking knowledge about the topic.
Dapat na-fulfill yung gap.
tatanong.
Walang gap dapat,
Yes.
actually.
Yes.
Walang gap.
Like, parang sila, nagre-research. Something like that. Ganun yung mga green person. Pero nilalamig ito. And then,
Yung glass na?
yung red is this person na, passionate. You can call it passionate. Pero,
Passionate sa life.
yeah, they really want to see yung nangyayari or alam mo yun, yung kasi yung tawag dito sa pag may ginawa ka tapos ayun na yung kinalabasan ng ginawa mo. May word dun. Can you help me? Yung you did something.
Yung outcome.
Yeah.
Outcome.
They want to
They want
see
to
the
see the
outcome. Meron pa.
The result.
Result and
Meron
outcome.
pa.
Yeah.
Meron pa.
Product.
Product.
Yeah.
Yan.
Alam mo yon yung ano nang nangyari.
Results.
Yeah. Ano na yung nangyari? Ano nang nangyari sa like even gusto nilang mangyari. Ganito nga yung nangyari. Anong kinalabasan? Like that. Ganun yung gusto nila. Like gusto nilang malaman ano nangyari. So behind all of that communicating, anong nangyari? Like anong kinalabasan ng ginawa mo? Yun yung gusto nilang malaman. That's how you communicate to red person. Dapat sabihan mo sila ng mga mas focus sila sa kinalabasan ng mga
Result.
decisions mo. Yes, mga result ng mga decisions.
Pag walang result, don't talk to me. Type shit.
Yes. I don't even freaking care if you did all of that. If walang result na positive,
Diba? So, let's tag ourselves. Ikaw si
I'm the yellow.
Yellow. Jason, ikaw. Sino ka dun? Let's think. Tingnan natin kung nakikinig to.
Ano ka?
Normal person yan.
Ano?
LGBT ka?
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Ano color ka? The... Please answer.
Ano nga serious? Ano nga seryoso?
Are you the green?
Seriously.
Do you want just peace, all of things? Or do you want
Tag yourself nga eh. Ano ka?
red, like execution, ganon?
Sige ka.
You're self-driven. Results-driven.
Isipin ng mga tao, hindi siya self-aware.
Yellow.
Green.
Green. Lasallian siya, Lasallian.
So you
Oo,
want
lasal yan.
details.
Details.
Yeah.
Details.
The type of person na.
Tag yourself. Kobe, ano ka? Nakikinig. I
Yellow.
love that. Nandun lang siya, pero nakikinig. Okay. He's listening. Good.
Yellow. Ikaw?
Di ba pwede talong color?
Ay,
Hindi
kind
naman
of.
mix.
Merong mga ganon.
Imimix mo.
Green tsaka red.
Blue-green.
Blue-green ka. Ano yung blue-green?
Peace and details.
Peace and details. Okay, so I'll tag myself. Ako, high functioning autism. It's everything. Everything, baby. All the colors. Oh, hindi ito main character. Abnormal lang talaga. So, bastos ka, minimake fun mo ko. Okay, may ano siya.
Pero what do you think major of you?
Yellow talaga.
Yes,
Yun
I
bakit
know.
tayo naging click agad.
I know.
I just met her
I
last
knew.
night. But kami,
Like,
she gets it.
Yeah. Ano na tayo?
Ito na kami.
Childhood friend. Feel mo ba yun?
I do. Parang hindi tayo no?
Parang alam mo
Ang tagal
yun,
na natin
yung alam
kakilala.
mo yung mga sheets ko nung high school ako.
Oo.
It feels like that. Parang you knew me when I was this high school girl na ano.
Thank you kay God. Kasi yung timing, it's so
The word of the day is blessed.
blessed. Yun ang word of the day. Hindi nahiligay nun word.
Blessed.
Kaya,
Oh
Jason's
my
got
gosh,
a
yes.
new one.
Yeah,
Kaya, pag,
yes,
ayan witness. Everyone sa YouTube, witness.
I've never
Pagka
seen
may
this.
gawin kang something or hindi, you don't end up with her, ako, sapakin ka namin. Sapakin namin.